Very happy, very proud. I think about freedom of expression, especially in a democratic society. This is not to say we had an unfettered and blanket win. The one thing that we got guidance from the court for, which was really a very important issue for me and I guess for the public, can you defame a state-owned entity? And the court's approach in the judgment was that you can't. I mean, you can defame. They have a right to a good name. They have a right to a good name and they can be defamed. So that essentially gives us guidance going forward. Ghana judgments from court don't necessarily mean you win or lose. Later on, we need to go back to the drawing board and reflect on the approach going forward. How exactly is it that we can critique? What can we say and what can we not say? And the overall ruling of the court was that the statements are in the public interest. The public is entitled to receive the statements and formulate an opinion, which is something that we've been amplifying throughout the proceedings. So we've won in that sense, won in the sense of the dismissal of the application, but also won in the sense of guidance going forward, especially for what is to follow in this term of a new era or a new government. There's certainly a lot of enlightenment that the public is entitled to, and Lona as the fourth estate are entitled to lead the charge without worrying about, is this going to be defamatory? Am I going to have to pay damages for this? I know there's several more to come. We're ready to deal with that, but I can assure you we're also introspecting to try and ensure that we put information in the public interest, in the public domain, without unnecessarily violating rights that people have to a good name, to their dignity, or to their privacy. That is something that we stand to be guided on, and we've been guided by the court. But overall, we're delighted for the win. We're very pleased.
This was just the dismissal of the rule Masai and the contempt. Are you guys going to proceed to the trial court?
Well, they haven't instituted any claim for trial. They haven't issued any summons for defamation or any other claim. So this is it. This is the end of it. If they